Hello and welcome to my video to Mindful Design. I think we should be more mindful and not only think about the reduction of carbon footprint and recycling. This is why we develop packaging solutions that are not only sustainable but also clever and sexy. A great example of this can be seen with this flexible inlay. It can be easily used to replace bubble wrap, which is used far too often. The inlay is made of finest wave, which makes it extremely flexible. The only thing you will miss is the satisfaction of popping the bubbles. You can use it for small products, like this, but you can also use it for bigger products, like this one, like that. It is delivered flat, so it doesn't need much space to store it. The inlay is available in various sizes and it's always custom made to your shipping boxes. For more information and to order your sample box, please visit our website ecovaganza.com. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.